In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on TikTok ads. Navigating the digital landscape of advertising on TikTok can sometimes feel as challenging as keeping up with the latest trends on the platform itself. But don't worry. Together, we're going to walk through a process that will make managing your ads on TikTok not only easier, but also more tailored to your regional currency needs. So let's start by heading over to TikTok ads. You'll find the platform accommodating, with a user interface designed to guide you smoothly through each step. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is log in. Simply click on the login button, it's hard to miss. Now you'll enter your credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Accuracy here is key to ensure a smooth login process, so take a moment to double check your entries. Upon clicking login, you might be prompted to verify your identity. This is where CAPTCHA comes in. It's a simple verification step to confirm that you're indeed a human and not a bot. Just follow the instructions provided and then hit confirm to proceed. Next, TikTok takes security seriously, which is why you'll be asked to type in a code sent to your email. This extra layer of security ensures that your account remains protected. Check your email inbox for the code, type it in, and let's move on. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate the TikTok ads dashboard. Start by heading to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see various options, but the one you're interested in is the Business Center. Go ahead and click on that. In the Business Center, you're going to click on Create New. This is your first step towards customizing your ad experience, including setting the preferred currency for your account. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easier to follow along even if it's your first time. At this point, you'll identify yourself as an advertiser by clicking on I'm an advertiser. This selection distinguishes you from other types of users and tailors the experience to fit your needs. Now, choose your country or region from the drop-down menu provided. This step is crucial since it affects which currency options will be available for you to choose from. After selecting your country or region, it's time to input your company name. This information helps TikTok tailor your ad administrative interface. Next, select your time zone. This might seem like a small detail, but it's important for scheduling ads and analyzing performance metrics accurately. And now to the main event, changing your currency. You'll see an option to change your currency to whichever suits your billing and payment needs best. Remember, this is about making your ad campaigns as manageable and as seamless as possible, so choose the currency you're most comfortable with. After you've made your currency selection, it's time to click Create. With that click, you're not just finalizing your choices, you're also stepping into a tailored TikTok ads experience that aligns with your regional preferences and business needs. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the currency on TikTok ads. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how you manage and analyze your ad spend on the platform. Remember, the key to a successful advertisement strategy on TikTok or any digital platform lies not just in understanding the trends, but also in mastering the tools and settings at your disposal. Changing your currency to one that aligns with your financial processes is a step in the right direction. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, managing your TikTok ads is now tailored just for you, making it all the more approachable and effective. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.